Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing a makeup tutorial channel. I know I made another makeup tutorial video. Did I say channel? I know I made another video of makeup, but that one was a bit off. Right now I want to do an update because I've learned some new things, I've learned some new tricks, and I want to show you guys. And remember, I'm not a makeup guru, and in makeup there is no rules, so you can do whatever suits you and whatever makes you happy. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so. Click the button here or here, I don't know, just click on the button that is say subscribe down here. So guys, this is my final look. This is how I do my makeup. Oh god, I've put a lot of lipstick on because I love this color. I don't know if it's red, I don't know if it's pink. I really don't know the color, the name of this color, but I guess the mixture of red and pink. I like it. It's not matte, it's floss, it's glossy, but I love it. So don't mind here, I have a big pimple here that the concealer cannot cover it up, but who cares? It's so hot in Dubai right now. It's summer, it's Ramadan right now, so obviously the skin will break out in one way or another. And I'll just finish everything with setting spray. It's Super Stay by Maybelline New York. Ooh. And I'll just let it dry. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And God bless you all. Stay fly and be happy. Do everything that makes you happy.